Guys, this is the struggle. This is why I got a new camera. Hello, are you okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I'm finally getting my G7X Mark II. It just got delivered, and I'm so excited. Finally, I'm gonna get a vlogging camera because look at this humongous camera. It's great for sit-down videos, but I've always wanted to start vlogging and I can't really do that with this camera, so I got the G7X and it's finally I decided to start my vlogs today because I'm getting my vlogging camera today. So what's a better day to start vlogging? I'm gonna go grab it and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and I'm back with my package. I'm so happy. So now we're gonna unbox. Here is, almost flashed through my address. Here is my package. Is this still a vlog though, guys? Yeah, right? It's still a vlog. It's an unboxing within a vlog. I refuse to call this anything else but a vlog because I'm getting a vlogging camera. Well, it's just a camera, but it vlogs. Let me grab the smallest scissors that I own and let's unbox this thing. Okay guys, so I ordered a couple of like accessories with my camera, like along with my camera. I'll show you those too. What should I show you first? The accessories, right? So I got this little case for the camera and it's super cute. It's pink. I really don't want anything to happen to this new camera because gosh, it took me so long to afford it. I'll show you guys how it looks on. Then I got a screen protectors. That's good. And then the camera. Here you go. Here's my new camera. I'm so excited. So it's the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I already said that like 10 times, but can't say it enough. Can't believe it. I think I'm the most excited person to have ever gotten this camera. Like, you don't get it. I've been waiting to get this for so long. So here is my camera. Okay, we open this up. Let's see what's inside. Okay, first things first. The cable, cool. The guide, that's cool too. Set that aside though, because it's not what we're waiting for. This is like a wrist strap. This is the battery, and it's so cute as well. This is the camera, but we're gonna wait. And this is the charging thingy, you know, where you charge the battery. So yeah, that's it. That's all that came in our little box. So, don't drop this. Don't drop it. Wait, I can't believe this is happening, guys. I feel like this is a dream. It was all a dream. No, we're up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Guys, it's so beautiful. Well, it's a little heavier than I thought, but not as heavy as my freaking DSLR. I've never been so close to this camera. I watched a couple of videos on it, so I know a little bit how it works, about how it works. Here's a little flip-up screen, and oh my god, finally I can see myself while making a video because that cannot happen with my DSLR because it doesn't have a flip-out screen. This is great. I'm gonna cry. Okay guys, so let's try to put the battery in there and see what happens. Whoa. Oh, there. Got it. Oh, you have to like lock it. Oh, it's so comfortable. Let's turn it on. Canon, okay, set date and time. I'm gonna do that. Why is it making noises? Hello, are you okay? I'm gonna take a picture. Probably look terrible, so let me take a couple. Oh, I look so funny. So I'm gonna do a video to test it out. Okay, it's recording. Hey, you see yourself? Oh, what's going on? Hello? Wow. Okay. So, I'm recording with this camera now, the G7X. Well, with both actually. But, I'll let you hear the audio and both of the different things. So right now, you're hearing on my DSLR. This is what the audio sounds like. It's probably not very bomb. It's probably not the best. And then this is the G7X audio. Does it sound good? I hope it does. I'm so excited that I got this camera. Oh wait, I didn't even put up the screen. Guys, wait, I can see everything. I'm sorry, my room is so messy. It looks like it's pretty good quality. Like, let's like zoom into my eyes. Oh my gosh, that is so cool, guys. It takes a while, a little bit to focus, but I'm not complaining. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be vlogging a lot more now that I have this camera. So comment down below like what kind of things you want to see. Don't forget to I'm gonna film the outro with my new camera. I'm gonna have to show you guys what it looks like with the case on. So let me try to put this on. And I'll leave you guys a link to everything that I got down below. Oh, it's cute. Look how cute, guys. And it'll protect it from like minor stuff, from like scratches. And also there's like a flash. And it's super cute. I'll make another video more in depth of the camera if you guys want. Oh, and I have to put this tempered glass there. So since this does come with 3 screen protectors and I only need 1, I'm going to give away the other 2 to any of you. So the rules for the giveaway will be that you have to subscribe to my channel and then comment down below a suggestion for a future video. And you'll be entered into the giveaway to win a screen protector. I'm sorry, I'm not giving away a camera. Maybe someday I'll be able to. But for now, screen protector, I mean, anything free is great, right guys? And I'm gonna be giving it to you for free. So 2 of you could be the lucky winners, and I'll announce the winner in like a month. I'll give this a month. The best suggestion for a video, yeah, the suggestion that I like the most will be the winner. So suggest a good video, guys. So yeah, smart camera. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Wait, what? Like this, I'm just so happy I can't talk. Like this video and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this or if you have any suggestions. And as always, I'll see you guys in another video. Take care of you. Okay, but guys, I'm in love. Look, I look good in this camera. Oh gosh, never mind, I just had it focused. But I'm really excited, guys. I'm gonna go show off my new camera to my friends.